Assalamu alaikum Physics 1 students. Now we will solve another sample problem related to Kepler's third law. In last week's material you had 3 sample problems. I hope that you understood them and you took notes and wrote them down on your notebook. I will read this problem for you first. Pluto's mean distance from the Sun is 5.896 times 10 to the power of 9 kilometers. The Earth's mean distance from the Sun is 1.495 multiplied by 10 to the power of 8 kilometers. Calculate Pluto's orbital period in Earth days. As you can see here, I named Pluto, the first planet, number 1, and the Earth as number 2. If you switch them, it's also correct. It's not wrong. What givens do I have? I have a Pluto's mean distance from the Sun. So this is R1. And I have the Earth's mean distance from the Sun. So this given is simply R2. I don't have much space to write them on the side. Please you do that. Calculate the Pluto's orbital period. So I want the period, which is T, for the planet that I called 1. This is my unknown. T1 is the unknown. For sure, in problems like this, we use Kepler's third law. The formula of Kepler's third law is T1 divided by T2 squared equals R1 divided by R2 cubed. Now let us start substituting. Please notice that no need to convert from kilometers to meters here, since I am dividing the two distances by each other, so the kilometer will be cancelled with the kilometer. So if whether I convert to meters or I don't, it's fine. While dealing with the planets and motion in space, it's often that I don't see SI units. It's easier if I don't. Like here, I can use the period in days instead of seconds, because the number in seconds will be huge. T1 is the unknown. T2 is the period of the second planet. Usually they hide the period of the Earth from us because we know it. It is 365 days or 1 year. Squared equals R1. I just copy the number, 5.896 times 10 to the power of 9 divided by 1.495 times 10 to the power of 8, everything here cubed. Here the easiest way to solve this normal mathematical equation is that you distribute here T1 squared divided by 365 squared equals this number, the same between brackets, cubed. Then you do cross multiplication. So T1 squared is equal to the same fraction cubed multiplied by 365 squared. Then you will take the square root of the two sides. T1 will be 90399.8 days. Earth days for sure. So this is the period of Pluto. This huge number of days is needed for Pluto to finish one round around the Sun. Again, why did I use for the period of the Earth this number 365? Because they want me to find T1 in days. So I will use T2 also in days. Here, kilometer, then I'm doing it in the correct way. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask. We will be discussing this lesson in this week's live sessions, inshallah. Thank you.